Welcome to this technical guide on the Dell P137G001. We are Kelatos Informatica, specialists in technical repair. We collect your device from your doorstep, carry out a free diagnosis, and send you a quote before any repair. No phone calls, no trips to the shop. We are based at Calle Joaquín María López 26, Madrid. Convenient, transparent and professional. Link in the description. If you're experiencing colored lines across your Dell P137G001 screen, you're not alone. This issue often arises from a damaged display or a faulty connection. If left untreated, it can worsen, leading to further display problems or even complete screen failure. Let's dive into the repair process to resolve this issue. For this repair, you will need a small Phillips screwdriver, a plastic opening tool, and a replacement screen suitable for the Dell P137G001. First, ensure your device is powered off and unplugged. Begin by using the plastic opening tool to gently pry open the back cover, starting from one corner and working your way around. Take your time and be cautious to avoid damaging the clips that hold the cover in place. Once the back cover is removed, locate the display connector. This is usually situated near the top of the device, connected to the motherboard. Carefully disconnect the cable, making sure to lift the connector straight up to avoid bending any pins. After disconnecting the cable, you will need to remove the screws that hold the screen in place. These are typically found around the perimeter of the display. Use your Phillips screwdriver to carefully unscrew them, keeping them in a safe place for reassembly. With the screws removed, gently lift the old screen away from the device, being mindful of any remaining connections. If at this point you feel it's getting too tricky, remember that at Kelatos we collect your device from your door and return it fully repaired. Now, take your new screen and align it carefully with the mounting points. Once in position, reinsert the screws you previously removed, ensuring they are secure but not overly tight to avoid cracking the new display. Next, reconnect the display cable, pressing it firmly into place until you hear a click, indicating it's secure. After everything is reconnected, carefully replace the back cover, ensuring all clips are engaged. Finally, power on your device to check that the new screen is functioning correctly and that the colored lines are gone. If you notice any issues, double-check your connections. To prevent this problem from reoccurring, ensure that your device is handled with care and avoid exposing it to extreme temperatures or pressure. Regularly clean the screen and keep it in a protective case when not in use. If you'd rather not risk damaging your device, at Kelatos we collect, repair and deliver back to your door anywhere in the UK. Link in the description.